Hey y'all, welcome to another vlog. Today is Sunday and I am just getting out and about today. Yesterday was Saturday. We went to the beach and had the baby shower. It was a wonderful time and I'm tired today, but I have work to do. So I am now at Floor and Decor. I need to go in here and look at some tile samples for my bathroom floor and shower and all that kind of stuff. So I need to look at some samples. The contractor has been bringing me samples. We're getting close, but he suggested that I just come here and see myself. I guess they have design people who can help me out. And so yeah, I'm going in here, guys. We have a day planned, but I just wanted to open up the vlog here and let's go look at flooring. Wow, this place is overwhelming. You know,
there's like one option for the walls.
For the walls.
Which is really like giving you the look on the picture on the Pinterest.
Yeah, it is giving me the look.
This is something nice.
Oh, that's nice.
Got more
movement.
Okay, so if you want to bring some life, as you can see, it's again like the beige and the walls and what you're trying to put together. So with the very slightly accents of the black, that's what you are achieving.
I like that. That is nice because I was going for maybe like a sandy beige, like, you know what I mean, like
that's a nice
one too. Is this floor walls?
It can go for both.
Okay.
You're looking right now on the walls because the picture you were showing with the walls was more like a grayer, more like a cement.
Yes,
temporary
like a cement,
look. And then something nice, warm and beige, to walk on, to bring it into the shower.
Yes.
So this will be a wall throughout the bathroom, all walls including the shower, and then floor will be like second tile.
Yes.
This is nice color, but it doesn't, like between this tile and this tile, there is not a big contrast, so it's like swooshing,
Right.
So
that's swooshing more. Yeah, you like?
No, we like the second one that you said.
Oh, the second.
With the movements, yes.
Yeah.
There is something as well. It's got like the lines. It looks like a jeans to me.
It does look like denim white jeans, yeah. I actually like that. I know y'all don't like it. Yeah, for the wall, I actually like that. I mean,
We have another aisle.
Oh, okay.
We have another aisle.
Oh, okay.
If you touch it, it's rough.
Oh yeah, that's rough. Yeah,
Cool. Okay, but I would say the floor, it's gotta be.
That's nice though. That has the beiges and it has some gray in there.
And it will look nice like on your walls and in the shower. And then just a simple, nice gray to bring the picture together. Just switch the jobs, because both of them will be matte, walls, and we can find something for the floor. The size is perfect, because sometimes the contractors are like they are not feeling comfortable with installing the larger format because the ones that we were looking are twice the size. But if you got a good man, it's not supposed to be any problems.
Alright y'all, so we are now at the furniture store. I need to come in here. You guys know I got the Goodwill couch, right? And so I'm finally, after all this flooring stuff is done in the house, I'm finally gonna go ahead and get the new furniture and stuff put in. I also want to look at a new dresser and stuff, but anyway, let's go. Oh God, there they go. This drives me so crazy. How they just come. Hi.
Hi, how are you? Good. What brings you guys in today? Is there a direction I can point you in?
Nope, just looking. I'm gonna look at some living room furniture. I'm gonna look at some bedroom furniture.
Perfect. Take your time, guys. I'm Caitlin. If I can help with anything,
Okay.
let me know. We're running our Black Friday sale, so a lot of the prices are not listed yet. So if you see something, just let me know. We'll go through it, okay?
Will do. Okay. It's different. What if that comes in different colors? So what's this? What's this on the side? It's like a seating area. I've just never seen anything. I don't know what this is. I've never seen anything like this. Guys, what do you think? Are canopy beds out of style now? I used to have one back in the day. I really like this look though. Mom, what you think?
I love it. I mean, I like that better, but yeah.
You like that better? I definitely like this better. Yeah, guys, what do you think? Are canopy beds out of style or not? I know I'm not shopping based upon popular opinion, but I'm just interested to know what's modern. I really like this canopy bed. I like how compact it is. The one that I had before was very oversized. It was a lot going on. But this bed right here in particular, guys, I know the lighting is not good. I love the headboard. It's kind of like a sandy type of color. And if you look at the towels and stuff that I just picked out for the bathroom walls and stuff, and then that flooring is going to be light. It'll come into dark wood flooring in my bedroom. But then this canopy, I love the combination of the dark wood and then the light headboard. So yeah, what do you guys think? Drop down in the comments. Let me know what you think. I need to decide pretty quickly here, but drop down in the comments. Let me know what you guys think. I really like white couch from Goodwill. It was this one. It was in this color, but this is the other pieces to go to it. This is it. I got that couch right there. That's the couch I got from Goodwill. You guys will remember those pillows. It's the exact same pillows. And so it comes with this part, which I've shown before in my vlog. It comes with a love seat and a chase. And I want to get both pieces. I'm gonna have to get somebody to help me because. So what I have is the couch in white. That's the couch I got from Goodwill. That's in the garage. Okay, guys, let me see if I can get somebody to help me. But yeah, I'm definitely going with this because I already got that couch. Like I got that couch for a steal, so I'm definitely going with these two pieces. I got to get somebody to help me. I'm excited.
Yeah, that's the Black Friday sale. And that's going to go all the way through Black Friday. If for some reason the prices were to be any different between now and Black Friday, which I don't foresee that happening, we have a price match guarantee. So it goes all the way through December 8th. So if anything were to change, we would just adjust it for you. In your case, it won't even be delivered, so we would just adjust the price and refund the difference to your financing or however.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah, it gives you like a nice peace of mind. Like pre-COVID, I feel like it was all about like one day. Now they've kind of made it where like, hey, you've got like 6 weeks basically of time to do it. So.
Okay. All right. Well, I know I'm gonna get these three pieces. This one in the white, that one in the. Nice.
It's pretty, right?
It's so pretty. Ooh. What are we thinking?
I definitely just like,
The wood.
yeah, the wood. I like the little thicker.
Well, this is wood.
No, but it's like, I don't know, like kind of more like.
Square. The square.
This one reminds me of your old bed because it used to have like the little like.
It did. It sure did. You remember that? You was a baby. I said I was gonna look at more bedroom stuff, but I think I'm pretty sold on it.
And honestly, your style is sort of up in that corner, just based on like what we've looked at.
Yes.
As you walk through the store, it turns into like this is like our more value area.
Okay.
That side's more traditional, and
Okay.
then like farmhouse. So based
Okay.
on what it seems like your style is,
Yes.
that's
That
where
one.
your style is going to be anyway.
Okay. Perfect. Yeah, I see the difference.
Yeah, it's the pillow top.
You definitely jump into a little more.
Yeah.
Which one you like better?
Firm? I
I don't know if I'm a more firm person. Like, yeah, let me lay on it. Yeah, let me lay. Yeah. Because I can't tell from there. Yeah, see?
This one's nice.
I thought so. This one is more firm.
You don't want to be like hard. And this one, I thought you were gonna like sink more, but like no, it's like good.
No, and this one is not. It's not. She say firm, but it's not hard. Like if I wasn't comparing the two, I would not think this was hard.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I would.
She said she liked this one better, the firmer. I feel like I just cracked my back when I went.
I don't know if that
Good, that's good.
Oh, I didn't know.
I think I prefer firm over that one.
Okay, just feel more supported probably.
Yeah, for some reason. And it's funny because I thought I would prefer that, but as I'm laying on it,
Hey, until you lay on it, you don't know.
yeah. Okay. Okay, of these two I like firm, but let's look at the... All right, guys, we finally made it to dinner. There's Ivani looking all cute. It's gloomy out, so the lighting is not great, but we're starving, and I'm going to one of my favorite restaurants in Tampa, Eulalie. And so, yeah, I'm excited. We got a lot done today. We were very productive, and so now we will enjoy this 50th birthday, because I'm calling everything 50th birthday lunch. I'm looking forward to it. Y'all want to sit outside or inside? Well, it may start raining. I mean, it's nice enough to sit outside for sure. And if it starts raining, they'll move us in, but... Oh, okay, yeah. We can go. Oh, sweet. Okay. Yeah, we went to the beach yesterday. We had the same problem. Oh, thank you. I'm 25th. I love it. Got it. Thank you so much. That was so sweet. Thank you. I love it. All right, y'all, I'm tired. I'm tired, y'all. We've been very productive today. We just left lunch, but it's late. It's almost like 5 o'clock, and so we're at Trader Joe's right now. I want to come. They have some of the holiday items. Ivani wanted to check something out, so let's go in here and see what Trader Joe's has, and then I'm going to wrap the vlog up, but let's go. All right, y'all, I'm not done yet. I'm walking into Sam's. I got to look at a mattress because I think the mattress deal here is better than at the furniture store. And my mom had to come here to get gas anyway. So we left Trader Joe's and now I'm walking into Sam's. Hey, y'all. Okay, I am finally home. I apologize for the background noise. I got TVs going. And so I wanted to close this vlog out by just doing a Trader Joe's haul. You probably by this time have seen a reel that I'm doing, but I just want to show you what I got. All right, y'all, they have some really cool holiday stuff, and so we got this Thanksgiving season popcorn. It's good. It has some spice to it, and like it has the aftertaste that tastes like stuffing. And then I just got this French onion soup. I just had been wanting to try this for a while, so I got that. I got some more oatmeal. It's just really good, just a staple. I got this gingerbread oat creamer. I cannot wait to make this with my gingerbread oat milk lattes. It is going to be so good. Chai lattes. I think it's going to be delicious. So this was new. I'm excited about that. Cranberry ginger brew. That just sounds really good to me and very festive. So I picked that up. We got a couple of these sparkling honey crisp apple juice beverages. So that's all we picked up. They have a lot of items to make Thanksgiving preparation really a lot easier. I just love Trader Joe's. I wish it was closer to me and I would go there more often, but I take advantage of it when I do go. All right, guys, that is it. It is about almost 10 o'clock. I am exhausted. This was such a long day, but it was such a productive day. I picked out my towels for my bathroom, for my shower, for my floors and stuff, and so I am halfway there. We'll start renovation this weekend. I'll take you guys with me and keep you posted on the whole thing. But I hope you have enjoyed the vlog, and I will see you guys